explain one more important topic in the 9th class, that is agriculture in India. Our country, India, is suitable for agriculture because Indian climate condition is very good for agriculture. So that is why in our country all types of crops are growing well. Our climate condition is good for agriculture. Our soil also very good for agriculture. Here water resources are available and temperature, sunlight, humidity. So all these environmentally our country is suitable for agriculture sector. So that is why India is agriculture country. Majority of the people still they are depending on agriculture works. They are depending on agriculture. So this agriculture in India, the farming of agriculture in different ways. People are they are farming agriculture activities or they are doing agriculture works in different ways. In India, we have two types of agriculture farming. Agriculture farming is two types. Farming is two types. One is subsistence farming. Second one is subsistence farming, and second one is commercial farming. Two types of farming. One is subsistence farming. Second one is commercial farming. So what is subsistence? This subsistence farming again we divide into two. One is simple subsistence farming and intensive subsistence farming. Simple subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming. Okay, so total farmings are two types: simple commercial farming and subsistence farming. Now let us discuss about subsistence farming. This subsistence farming is nothing but, see here we can study again into two types. One is simple subsistence and intensive subsistence. Means simple subsistence is nothing but, this type of farming people are following from the olden days, from the ancient type of farming, old system, old method type of farming we can call simple subsistence farming. Means here the farmers they cultivate small land. Here in this area only the group of people, one person or in the family members or community, these people can do work in their agriculture fields. Here very small land, small plot area people they cultivate. Like, so this type of farming completely depends on the rains. Means in the monsoon period people will start the cultivation. This type of farming completely depending on the rain. Simple subsistence farming depends completely on the monsoon. If monsoons are good, people will do the cultivation. They do the farming. Here simple subsistence. In the simple subsistence, it is only for to get food items. Mainly the family members in India family, group people or one person can do this type of farming. We can see this type of farming in previous classes also we studied that like shifting cultivation. They clear the forest land, they clear the trees and forest, and they in the summer time they work all the trees. Okay, and that ash it will mix in the soil due to the rains. In that place the people will sow some seeds at the place in a small area and they do the farming. This is one type of farming, simple subsistence farming. Mainly a piece of land, small portion people will cultivate completely depending on the rains. So only the family members, without laborers, only family members can do in this area. This is simple subsistence farming. Second one, intensive subsistence is nothing but, this is second farming, intensive subsistence farming. Here, in this large area, and the farmers they use laborers because they cultivate large area. And here in this intensive subsistence, water facilities also will be available, irrigation facilities will be available in this area. And here many laborers will work in this field. People will produce large quantity of production in this region, in this place. And they use biochemicals to increase the fertility rate, to increase the production. They use new techniques, new methods they use in this intensive subsistence farming. New machines they use in this large area they do the farming. Here they need laborers. So this type of farming we can call that intensive subsistence farming. What is the difference here? This is a small area, people will cultivate only family members, that completely depending on the rain. And here intensive subsistence farming, here irrigation facilities are available. People use new techniques, new technology, new ideas, biochemical they use to increase the production. And they farm the large area, they farm is in this place. So this type of farming is called intensive subsistence farming. Okay, so this is the two types of subsistence farming. Coming to the next one now, commercial farming. Commercial means only for business purpose, for earning income, to earn money. So people will farm, they do the farming, that is commercial farming. In the commercial farming, so people use the HYV seeds, high yield varieties, means hybrid. HYV seeds they use because in the commercial area, in a large area, people try to get more production. So that is why here people use HYV seeds and they use chemicals, pesticides, fertilizers to get the more production because it is only for commercial. So this is called commercial farming. In the commercial farming, people use chemicals, pesticides, fertilizers, and they use HYV seeds. This type of farming we can call commercial farming. And next, total in India, you know, how many crop seasons are there? So based on the climate condition, based on the temperature, humidity, rainfall, so we divided total crop seasons in our country. Total 3 types of crop seasons are there in India. What are the crop seasons? One is Rabi, Kharif, Jaid. Rabi, Kharif, Jaid. So these 3 are crop seasons. Total in a year, 3 crop seasons are there. Okay. Mainly, so this Kharif crop will start in the month of monsoon period, and they harvest their crops in the September or October month. They harvest their crops. That is completely Kharif season. Okay. And Rabi season, they start the cultivation in the month of October to December. Means in the winter time they start the works. That is Rabi season, and they harvest their crops in the month of April to April or May. They get the crops. That is Rabi season. Next one, Jaid. So between Rabi and Kharif season, people do some, they start some agriculture works between Rabi season and Kharif season. That period we can call as Jaid. Okay. So these are the 3 important crop seasons present in our country. So these crop seasons, how we divided? Depending on the climate condition, rainfall, temperature, humidity, sunlight. So we totally divided into 3 crop seasons in our country. Rabi season, Kharif season, Jaid. Rabi season, it's only the month of October to people will start and they get the crops, they harvest their crops April or May. This is Rabi season. And Kharif season, in the month of June, July, people will start and they harvest their crops in the September or October. Okay, they harvest their crops. That is Kharif season. Next one, GR means between these 2 seasons, between period, we can call as Jaid. So these are the 3 types of agriculture seasons or cropping seasons in our country. See, in India, actually, What are the major important crops we are producing? India, what are the important crops? The major crops in our country: paddy, wheat, maize, millets, pulses, cotton. So these are the main important crops. Important crops. Major crops in our country: paddy. Most of the places in our country, different states, people are producing paddy. These are major crop. And wheat also major crop in our country. Different states farmers are producing wheat crop. And maize also very famous in India. It's also a major crop. All states mostly people are producing. And millets also a major crop in our country. Pulses, different types of pulses are also producing. Pulses are March gram, red gram, green gram. Okay, and these are the many types of pulses in our country. People are farmers are producing. But all in our country, different places, people are producing different types of crops. For example, if you take Maharashtra, in the Maharashtra area, the farmers are producing one type of crop. If you go to Andhra Pradesh, in Andhra Pradesh region, people are farming, they are producing one type of crop. Because it's depending on the soil, depending on the temperature, depending on the rain, and depending on the irrigation facilities and the climate condition, soil. So different places in our country, people are producing, farmers are producing different types of crops. But these are the mainly important crops is paddy, wheat, maize, millets, pulses and cotton. These are the main important crops we are producing, farmers are producing in our country. Okay. And next to crops again two types. One is food crops and commercial crops. What are the commercial crops and what are the food crops? I will explain in the next class.